Jameson saw blades are designed for demanding professionals. High-performance features and materials place Jameson saws among the finest in the world. Fast, clean, and precise cutting action protects tree health and speeds production. A variety of blade models and accessories suit your every tree trimming need. Jameson saws cut on the pull stroke. Pull stroke saws have a thinner kerf for more efficient cuts. The pulling action uses your body's natural motion to assist the cutting stroke, removing more material per stroke with less chance of buckling. Razor-sharp tri-edge teeth are long-lasting and make quick, clean cuts. Every Jameson blade is made from the world's finest Japanese steel for strength, durability, and superior longevity. Aggressive triple ground teeth are impulse hardened, so they never need sharpening. Hard chrome plating provides a smooth, durable surface that is easy to clean and resists corrosion. Saws are available in 13-inch and 16-inch lengths for cutting limbs up to 8 inches in diameter. Many models can be interchanged between pole saw mounting and handsaw mounting, consolidating your spare blade inventory. Jameson's wide blade is 16 inches long and has a broader profile and thicker steel gauge for stiffer feel and maximized production. Saw blades with recessed gullets reduce clogging when cutting green, fibrous woods. Blades with hook tips will not accidentally pull out of a cut, and the hook can be used to pull down suckers, vines, and loose limbs. The heavy-duty double hook blade combines the thicker gauge steel and a hook tip with a sharpened lower hook. Score the bark before a cut to prevent tear out when the limb falls. The pocket-sized 8-inch folding saw is convenient for occasional use and stores easily in a vehicle or toolbox. Folding saws lock in both the open and closed positions. Every Jameson pole saw and handsaw has an available scabbard for protection when not in use. Straight blade handsaws are well balanced and perfect for accurate, clean cuts in hard-to-reach areas or at awkward angles. Jameson's locking scabbard handsaw prevents the saw from falling out when climbing. It can be mounted to your belt or to your leg. The blade's full-length tang won't wiggle loose over time. Jameson's wide variety of pole saws and hand saws guarantees you will always have the right tool for the job. Visit our website today for more details and a full product listing.